और प्यारे बच्चों, इंग्लिश की रीडिंग सीखते हैं हम जो है, और ये यूपी बोर्ड और बिहार बोर्ड और जो भी हिंदी मीडियम के बच्चे उनके लिए है ये रीडिंग के लिए, और एक्सप्लेनेशन बाद में बताऊंगा आपको, मीनिंग इसके हिंदी अर्थ वगैरह, ठीक है। क्वेश्चन आंसर वगैरह भी करेंगे हम, लेकिन ये आपका अभी रीडिंग के लिए है। तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं। अ लेटर टू गॉड, अ लेटर टू गॉड, बिफोर यू रीड, दे से faith can move mountains, but what should we put our faith in? प्रोनाउंसिएशन देखना मैं कैसे करके पढ़ रहा हूँ। दिस इज द क्वेश्चन दिस स्टोरी डेलिकेटली पोजेज, जा की वजह पोजेज। लैंचो इज अ फार्मर हु राइट्स अ लेटर टू गॉड when his crops are ruined, asking for 100 pesos. Does Lanchos, जा की आवाज देता है, जा देखो ऐसे करके, जा Lanchos letter reach God. Does God send him the money? Think what your answers to these questions would be and guess how the story continues. जा की यहाँ पर भी जा की आवाज दे रहा हो, continues before you begin to read it. एक्टिविटी देखो, एक्टिविटी वन ऑफ द चीपेस्ट वेज, जा की यहाँ पर भी जा की आवाज आ रही, वेज एंड में जा की आवाज आ रहा है, जा। वेज टू सेंड मनी टू समवन इज थ्रू द पोस्ट ऑफिस. हैव यू एवर सेंट और रिसीव्ड मनी इन दिस वे. Here is, क्या पढ़ा, here is है शॉर्ट फॉर्म में कैसे बोले, here is what नहीं पढ़ना, what you have to do as, जा की बात दे रहा, जा as you read the instructions, discuss with your teacher in class the meanings of these words. काउंटर क्लर्क, अप्रोप्रिएट, क्या अप्रोप्रिएट, एक्नॉलेजमेंट, क्या एक्नॉलेजमेंट और काउंटरफॉइल. रिकॉर्ड, कंसल्ट आर डिक्शनरी इफ नेसेसरी. आर दीज वर्ड्स corresponding to these English words in your languages? Inside the post office, go to the counter marked money order. Buy a money order form by paying 50 paise to the person behind the counter. Fill in the appropriate boxes. जा की आवाज दे रहा है, इसमें भी मैं सा जो है ना इंग्लिश में जा ही देता बच्चे आवाज, जा. बॉक्सेस इन द फॉर्म प्रेफरेबली, क्या पढ़ा, प्रेफरेबली इन ब्लॉक लेटर्स. पे द काउंटर क्लर्क द अमाउंट ऑफ मनी टू बी sent along with the charges. Take back the money order MO. Acknowledgement counterfoil for your record. इसे ही पढ़ लो, देखो rationalized. अच्छा, वो कह रहा है, ये देखो इसमें, fill out the money order form given below using the clues that follow the form. ऊपर के लिखो डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ पोस्ट्स इंडिया मनी ऑर्डर. यहाँ देखो, ये देखो पढ़ो, सेंडर्स सिग्नेचर सेंडर्स सिग्नेचर, एक एक की स्पेलिंग याद कर लेना। कंबाइंड ऑबलोंग स्टैम्प, क्या कंबाइंड ऑबलोंग स्टैम्प, असिस्टेंट पोस्टमास्टर, रिसीव्ड रुपीज, सिग्नेचर ऑफ द पेई, क्या पढ़ा पेई, सिग्नेचर ऑफ विटनेस, ठीक है ना, विटनेस, आइडेंटिफायर, क्या बोलो आइडेंटिफायर, सिग्नेचर ऑफ पेइंग ऑफिशियल, ये क्या पढ़ा ऑबलोंग स्टैम्प, ये मनी ऑर्डर एक्नॉलेजमेंट। अच्छा, सेंडर्स नेम एंड एड्रेस, रिसीव्ड रुपीज़, ये तो हमने पढ़ा है, ठीक है ना। आगे स्पेस फॉर कम्युनिकेशन, ठीक है। अब आगे देखो, थिंक अबाउट हु विल सेंड द मनी, think about who you will send the money to and how much you might want to send money for a magazine subscription, क्या पढ़ा subscription, or to a relative or a friend. You may fill out the form with yourself as sender and your partner as receiver. Use a part of your pocket money and submit the form at the nearest post office to see how it is done. It's क्या पढ़ा है, it's पढ़ो इसे, ये इसको पढ़ो, it's done. See how your partner enjoys, जा की बात देगा, enjoys नहीं, सा मत बोलना, enjoys getting money by post. Notice that the form has 3 parts: the money order form, the part for official use, and the acknowledgement. What would you write in the space for communication? Now complete the following statements. In addition to the sender, the form has to be signed by the, आगे the acknowledgement section of the form is sent back by the post office to the, after the साइंस, क्या पढ़ा साइन, ये एस ही लगाओगे, साइन हो गया, SIGN साइन हो गया, लेकिन ये एस लगे साइंस, ठीक है ना। इट द स्पेस फॉर कम्युनिकेशन सेक्शन इज यूज्ड, जा के बाद निकाला करो, यूज्ड फॉर द फॉर्म हैज 6 sections. The sender needs to fill out sections and the receiver. अब आगे देखो जरा इसमें, the house, the only one in the entire valley, set on the crest of a low hill. From this height one could see the river and the field of ripe corn dotted with the flowers that always promised a good harvest. The only thing the earth needed was a downpour, or at least a shower, ठीक है ना, shower या shower पढ़ लो, कोई नहीं, ठीक है। अच्छा, इसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन है शावर, क्या शावर, शावर, ठीक है ना। ये देखो पढ़ना, थ्रू आउट द मॉर्निंग लैंचो हु न्यू, के नहीं पढ़ना इसमें, न्यू मत पढ़ना है, न्यू हिज फील्ड्स intimately had done nothing else but see the sky towards the northeast. Now we are इसको एक साथ ही पढ़ लो, we are, एक साथ पढ़ना, we are, ठीक है, we are really going to get some water. The woman who was preparing supper replied yes, God willing. The older boys were working in the field while the smaller ones were playing near the house until the women called to them all, come for dinner. It was during the meal that, just as Lancho had predicted, big drops of rain began to fall in the northeast. Huge mountains of clouds could be seen approaching. The air was fresh and sweet. The man went out for no other reason than to have the pleasure of feeling the rain on his body. And when he returned, he exclaimed, these aren't raindrops falling from the sky, they are new coins. The big drops are 10-cent pieces. जा की आवाज आ रहा, सा जो जा की आवाज दे रहा, pieces. And the little ones are 5s. With a satisfied expression, he regarded the field of ripe corn with its flowers draped in a curtain of rain. But suddenly a strong wind began to blow, and along with the rain very large hailstones began to fall. These truly did resemble new silver coins. The boys exposing themselves, जा की आवाज दे रहा, सा जो है ना जा की आवाज देगा, themselves to the rain, ran out to collect the frozen pearls. It's really getting bad now, exclaimed the man. I hope it passes, जा की आवाज दे रहा, passes quickly. It did not pass quickly. For an hour the hail rained on the house, the garden, the hillside, the cornfield. अंग्रेज कैसे पढ़े, cornfield, लेकिन आप cornfield, on the whole, okay, whole, w मत पढ़ना, whole मत कहना इसको, whole valley. The field was white as if covered with salt. Not a leaf remained on the trees. The corn was totally destroyed. The flowers were gone from the plants. Lancho's soul was filled with sadness. नस पढ़ना है, नस sadness, ठीक है ना, sadness. When the storm had passed, he stood in the middle of the field and said to his sons, a plague पढ़ा इसको, क्या पढ़ा, प्लेग पढ़ा, प्लेग आधा पा है, ये क्या आधा पा है बस, ये मैं आगे लिखूँ प्लेग, ऐसे समझ जाना। आ प्लेग ऑफ लोकस्ट्स, क्या पढ़ा, लोकस्ट, पहले लोकस्ट पढ़ो, लोकस्ट फिर एस भी जोड़, लोकस्ट्स would have left more than this. The hail has left nothing. This year we will have no corn. That night was a sorrowful one. All our work for nothing. There is no one who can help us. व्हील, क्या पढ़ा है इसको? व्हील, ठीक है, व्हील, ये एक्चुअली ये इसकी फॉर्म है, ये व्हील की शॉर्ट फॉर्म, ठीक है ना, शॉर्ट फॉर्म कर दिया इसको, तो क्या पढ़ा? व्हील. वील ऑल गो हंग्री दिस ईयर. ओरल कॉम्प्रीहेंशन, पढ़ो, कॉम्प्रीहेंशन चेक. अच्छा कहता है नेक्स्ट, मैं यहाँ से पढ़ रहा हूँ, बट इन द हार्ट्स, हार्ट पढ़ते हैं इसको, हार्ट नहीं, हार्ट्स, अब ऐसा और लगा दो, हार्ट्स. बट इन द हार्ट्स ऑफ ऑल हु लिव्ड इन दैट solitary house in the middle of the valley, there was a single hope, help from God. Don't be so upset, even though ये बिल्कुल दो ही है, ठीक है ना. This seems like a total loss. Remember, no one dies, जा की वजह से dies of hunger. That's क्या पढ़ा? That's what they say. No one dies of hunger. All through the night, Lancho thought only of his one hope, the help of God, whose eyes, as he had been instructed. क्या पढ़ा? Truct पढ़ो पहले, truct, instructed. See everything, even what is deep in one's conscience, ठीक है ना. conscience क्या? conscience विवेक जिसे उसका मतलब होता है conscience. ओके. Lancho was an ox of a man working like an animal in the fields, but still he knew how to write the following Sunday at daybreak. He began to write a letter which he himself would carry to town and place in the mail. It was nothing less than a letter to God. God, he wrote, if you don't help me, my family and I will go hungry. This year I need 100 pesos, पैसो पढ़ लो या pesos, in order to sow पढ़ा, sow बोना होता है इसका, sow my field again and to live until the crop comes, because the hailstorm, storm मत रा नहीं बोलते अंग्रेज, ठीक है. hailstorm थोड़ा सा बोलना बस, hailstorm. He wrote to God on the envelope, put the letter inside, and still troubled, went to town. At the post office he placed a stamp on the letter and dropped it into the mailbox. One of the employees पहले तो यहाँ ये एस रहने दो, एम्प्लॉई तो फिर एस जोड़ दिए, एम्प्लॉइज जा की आवाज़, मैंने कहा जा की आवाज़ देगा, जा एम्प्लॉइज, हु वॉज आ पोस्टमैन एंड ऑल्सो हेल्प्ड एट द पोस्ट ऑफिस, वेंट टू हिज बॉस लाफिंग हार्टली. क्या? हार्टली, यहाँ तक तो हार्ट पढ़ लिया, HERT हार्ट पढ़ लिया, टिली हार्टली, हार्टली एंड showed him the letter to God. Never in his career as a postman had he known, के मत पढ़ना, known that address the postmaster of at amiable, क्या amiable, इसका जो एग्जैक्ट प्रोनाउंसिएशन वो एमिएबल है, क्या एमिएबल, दोबारा मैं गलत बोल गया था, सॉरी, अमिएबल नहीं है, एमिएबल। अब आगे देखो, आगे बढ़ते। फेलो ऑल्सो ब्रोक आउट लाफिंग बट almost immediately he turned serious and tapping the letter on his desk commented, idiot जोड़ दो, commented, what faith, I wish I had the faith of the man who wrote this letter, starting up a correspondence with God, so in order not to shake the writer's faith in God, the postmaster came up with an idea, answered the letter, but when he opened it, it was evident, ठीक है ना, evident that to answer it he needed something more than goodwill, ink and paper, but he stuck to his resolution. He asked for money from his employees. He himself gave part of his salary, and several friends of his were obliged to give something for an act of charity. It was impossible for him to gather together the 100 pesos, so he was able to send the farmer only a little more than half. He put the money in an envelope addressed to Lencho, and with it a letter containing only a single word as a signature, God. अच्छा, इसमें ये तो पढ़ना, ओरल कॉम्प्रीहेंशन चेक, ओके। देखो कैसे, what did Lencho have faith in? What did he do? Who read the letter? What did the postman do then? ये अंग्रेज की तरह पढ़ा, ठीक है, लेकिन कोई नहीं, अब नॉर्मल वेज में पढ़ते हैं। देखो, the following Sunday Lencho came a bit earlier than usual to ask if there was a letter for him. It was the postman himself who handed the letter to him, while the postmaster experiencing the contentment, क्या contentment संतुष्टि होता है इसका मतलब, contentment of a man who has performed a good deed। देख रहे हो, इसमें स्पेलिंग देख लेना इसके अंदर, ये contentment of a man who has performed a good deed looked on from his office। Lancho showed not the slight और est और पढ़ो slightest surprise on seeing the money. Such was his confidence, but he became angry when he counted the money. God could not have made a mistake, nor could he have denied Lancho what he had requested. Immediately Lancho went up to the window to ask for paper and ink on the public writing table. He started to write with much wrinkling. W मत पढ़ना, रा से शुरू करना. Wrinkling of his brow, caused by the effort he had to make to express his ideas. When he finished, he went to the window to buy a stamp which he licked and then affixed to. अब आगे देखो इसमें ये the envelope with a blow of his fist. The moment the letter fell into the mailbox, the postmaster went to open it. It said, "God of the money that I asked for, only 70 pesos reached me. Send me the rest since I need it very much. But don't send it to me through the mail, because the post office employees are a bunch of crooks." Lancho, ये आपकी रीडिंग का हो गया. ठीक है, फिर मीनिंग समझाऊंगा. ओके, बाय बाय, टेक केयर, पढ़ते रहना.